Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. Since I started my YouTube channel, I have got a chance to test out a lot of Bluetooth speakers in the market, and today I have the Mi Pocket Speaker 2 with me. Let's find out whether it is any good or not in today's video. Without wasting any more time, let's begin.
All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story, wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it live.
Let's start with the build and design. Xiaomi has done a great job in designing this speaker. I really dig the cylindrical look of the speaker. It looks aesthetically pleasing and would go really good with any desk setup. One thing that I really like about the design is the volume control dial up top. So you can rotate the dial to change the volume, and you can press down on the dial to play or pause. So you can press down anywhere on the dial to play or pause, which is a very good thing, and it is a very intelligent design, and thumbs up to Xiaomi for that. Even the build quality of the speaker is pretty good. The base is made out of metal, which gives it some weight. Also, the bottom part is made out of rubber so that it does not scratch the surface that you keep it upon, and also it gives it some grip. Up top you get the speaker grill, which is made out of a fabric like material and feels awesome. The speaker does feel like a really premium one. As far as charging goes, you get a micro USB port at the back. Would have been great to see a USB Type-C because it's 2018. So seeing micro USB is kind of a letdown. But anyway, apart from the micro USB port, you do not have any more I/O on this device. So no aux port, no micro SD card slot, nothing. There should have been at least the aux port because it is good to have that option available. So if you're a fan of that headphone jack and if you still use it, then you are out of luck on this speaker. You can only use Bluetooth to play audio. Okay, now let's get to the main point, that is sound quality. So if you read the title of this video, it says that don't buy the Mi Pocket Speaker 2, and here's the reason why.
I've got this feeling, I'm feeling you could be the one. I see no reason why I should ever let you go. Don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up, I don't wanna wake up, don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without.
The overall volume of the speaker is really bad. When I first set up this speaker with my iPhone 7, I was like, that's it? That's all the volume this thing can produce? I am really disappointed with the volume levels. On the other hand, the sound separation on the speaker is pretty impressive. So if Xiaomi would have increased the volume on this thing, then that would have been really good. Now if you're wondering about the bass on this speaker, then I'm sorry to say, but even the bass is just average. Hence overall, I am not happy with the sound output of this speaker. Moving on, let's talk about something that is good on this speaker, that is the battery life. It comes with a 1200 mAh battery which lasts for 5 to 6 hours of music playback. I actually like the battery life of this speaker. Now if you're wondering about the charging time, it takes about 3 hours to charge it completely from 0 to 100%. Therefore, to sum it all up, I would say that the Mi Pocket Speaker 2 is only good looking. In terms of the sound quality, it doesn't impress me at all. Hence, I would say that don't buy the speaker, because you buy a Bluetooth speaker for the sound quality. Like, that's the main aspect. You don't buy it for the way it looks. Like, it's not a product you buy for the looks. Hence, I would say save your 1500 bucks and buy something else like a Logitech X50. It is way better in sound quality and it does look good too. So if you want to watch my review of the X50, it will be linked in the description box below and also in the I button up top. So anyway, that's been it. I hope that you liked this video, and if you did, then make sure to smash that like button. If you're not following me yet on my social media platforms, all the links will be available in the description box below. You can go ahead and follow me there. Also, if you haven't yet, please hit that red subscribe button. It would mean a lot to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi, and I'll see you guys in the next one.